What's up YouTube? We're back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna be installing this bad boy onto my very nice but very dirty 2006 RSX. Oh, it's about time this thing finally gets a tail or a wing. So I just made sure to clean this off. So I'm pretty sure the first step is we gotta open this trunk and make sure the holes line up with these stock RSX holes up here, right up here. So we're gonna drill those out, make sure they line up, and then just put some double-sided tape as a gasket, and then some bolts up, and then yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very nice. Let's go. Okay guys, so before I get into the tools that you're gonna need, be sure to check out the video I made on these thingies, the window visors. I just uploaded that video a few days ago, so go make sure to check it out. And yeah, these are the tools you're gonna need. So other than the spoiler, I have a touch-up pen that I'm gonna use not just for this. I have this to touch up the hole that you're gonna drill so it doesn't rust. I have this. I have double-sided tape that I came with, and some nuts for each side. A ratchet with a 10mm socket and a center punch. And lastly, a hammer for the center punch and a drill. Okay, so now we gotta make sure that this actually fits. So let's. This is my first time seeing it under all this. Oh my lord. Okay, so I'll leave a link to the one I got in the description. I got off eBay for like 150 bucks. It came painted because my car's already glossy black. You'll see when you click on the link. So let's just. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. It looks so nice. Even just on it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Just ignore the dirty car. Adore the spoiler, okay? Holy crap. Okay, so we gotta make sure the holes. Saw nothing. The holes right here. Hold on. The holes right here line up to the holes that I just showed you earlier. So there's no real way for me to film this and like make sure it lines up by myself, so I'm just gonna make sure it lines up and then tell you guys. Okay, so yeah, these holes actually just line up perfectly with the holes, but I'm gonna get a tape measure so I can make sure the width lines up with the width of the trunk. Oh, I got the tape measure. Okay, so it's about 4 feet 1 inch. It's right where my thumb is, 4 feet 1 inch. And so the holes are a bit inside, so I'm gonna take away about 1 inch, 1.5 inches maybe. So 47 inches and a half. I take you guys with me. Okay, this is so hard. Hold on. No. Okay, 47 and a half. And okay, I'm sorry, I can't do this. Hold on. The holes line up to 47 inches. So we're chilling. Okay, so we're gonna start drilling, but make sure to use a center punch first, so just make a little divot, and also make sure to use a small bit and then make your way up to the size of the bolt, a little bit bigger than the bolt. Center punch first, hammer. Awesome. So if you look, you can see that there is a little dip in the trunk, so that means you have done it correct. Okay guys, so I've center punched all the holes. Punch there on the other side. Alright guys, so we're just now gonna start drilling. Make sure you use a small bit and then make your way up. First bit done. Let me show you guys what they look like, the holes. Maybe the lighting would be a lot better. So that's the first little, I think 1 or 2 millimeter drill bits. We got to get all the way up to this, probably like 3 times that size. So moving on. All right, we got the second bit in. Let's keep going. Onto the third bit. I think this might be the last bit, but here, let me make sure. This might be the last bit. All right, so we got 1 bolt here. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's see if it fits. Nope, not even close. Oh my gosh, all right. Okay, so I lied, guys. You're actually gonna need one more thing, a file to file down after you drill. Because if you look, I can't, hold on. Okay, if you look, it's pretty rigid. So you wanna use the file like this. I can't do it with my left hand, but something like that, and make it smooth. Okay, so now that filed down the holes, I know this is bad, just ignore it. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna open it, read the instructions, make sure to follow the instructions, make sure it's the right paint code of your car if you're doing it my way. I'm just gonna be using a clear coat actually, so let me see. The instructions read shake for 30 seconds, and then yeah, and then I'm pretty sure this on this side is the clear coat, so let's shake it. Unscrew this. You just want to put it on so it doesn't rust. Okay. Put the double-sided tape on like that. We're gonna do it to the other side and then just put it on and hopefully it'll fuck up. We got all the nuts in. They're not fully tightened, they're just hand tightened to how far they could go. Hand tightened. Oh my, why is it never focusing? So it is a new day. Finally got the wing installed. Actually, no, it's a new week. I'm sorry about that. It's a new week. I just haven't gone around to finishing up this video. But we did get the wing installed. Here she is. She's super sturdy. I've been driving around everywhere, to school, to just everywhere actually. Freeway, everywhere. It holds on pretty nice. Color matches the color of the paint almost, I'd say. Yeah, just an awesome way to freaking make your RSX look super cool. If y'all want to see more, I have a couple more things in store for this car, so leave a comment down below what you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one.